Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 31st of January 2023. Right now it's 2:54 p.m. I'm going to do a trade recap on my trades on Tesla. Let's start with the camera ruler setup for today. We have an overlapping lower value relationship where yesterday's S3, one second, let me just fix this here. Right, yesterday's S3 was up here. Yesterday's R3 was up at this level. Let me just get some exact levels here. Yesterday's R3 was approximately 183.32. S3 was approximately 167.20. Today's Yesterday's S3 was approximately 172.51. Right, so today we have S3 at 163.03. 163.01, my bad, and R3 is now at 170.31. So it's an overlapping lower value relationship, so it's moderately bearish. Right, so you see you have R3 there. Yesterday it was up here, S3 was up here, now it's down here. So it's an overlapping lower value relationship. For my strategy, I'm looking for either an open below S3 somewhere around here, a retest of S3, and then go short, right? Or I could get like a open like it's opening here, get a retest of R3 and go short, probably to S3, S4, right? So I didn't stick to my strategy today. Actually did some crazy madness today, man. So the trade that I was supposed to take, so let me just discuss this trade here. What I was supposed to take was this R3 failed breakout right here, back down to this level, right? So let's see here, one second. Let me just pull out VWAP. Right, so VWAP is that white line right there in the middle. So how that trade is, my strategy is supposed to work is take the breakdown of R3 right here, right? And take it down to like lower VWAP. And if it holds above closes above lower VWAP, then I could just stop out right here, right? So that would have been the only trade really. And then I could have tried to take let's see, this trade right here would have been another setup where we rejected R3, go short again, but then this trade would have been a break-even trade because we get support at upper VWAP, and I could have probably broke even on this trade here as it came back, right? So those were the two setups for me today. So let's see what I actually did. And when you go against your own strategy, it ends up bad, you know. So right, so at the open, took a long here at 169.34 and stopped out here around 168.70. Went short, broke even on that trade right here, and then went short again at 168, right? So that came down, took a partial here at 166.83 and all out here at 166, right? So that was a good trade. Not sticking to the strategy though, but it was a decent trade. And then let's see here, went short here for the continuation at 165.63, stopped out here at 166.78, tried to go short here again, and that just pulled back on me here, stopped out at 169.45, right? So now I'm in the loss right here, right? Because wiped out the gains from this trade down here, which was a decent trade. Wiped out the gains here, flipped my position, tried to go long at R3, at the break of R3, 170.48. Now remember, it's an overlapping lower value relationship on the cam, so it's moderately bearish, right? But I'm not really sticking to that thesis. I'm trying to go long at R3 and had to stop back out. So this trade in reverse would have actually been a winner, right? So I went long, had to stop out here at 167.44. So at this point, going off tilt, you know what I mean? And the psychology is messed up at this point. So trying to get back to break even and just, I guess, just make it back, right? The trading psychology gets the better of you, man. I'm still working on that, right? So flip the position. Let's see here. This was the stop out from the long. Try to go short here. Let's see. Try to go short here at around 166.83. Stopped out on that here at 168.17, 19, 20, somewhere around there. And then I think like when it pulled back again, tried to go short and held that one, and that one tore me up right there. Right, so I let that one just go back straight up to the highs right there, because I'm hoping for it to reverse somewhere around this level. And you can't really hope in trading. You gotta just stop out, right? So I'm already off tilt. So this was the worst decision right here, right? To hold that. So stopped out here at covered at 171.10, and that was the break of the high right there. Tried to go short here again. Stopped out short. Stopped out short, break even, short, break even, short, break evenish, short again, break evenish, short, small loss, short, and break evenish, right? So try to kind of get it back on some of these dips, but especially this one went in my favor a little bit. But it's just like when it gaps up, it's just a double distribution day today, double distribution trend day. So had this distribution down here above R3, we have this distribution here. So now it's just in the latter half of the session, last hour, it's just gonna probably push up to 175 and probably above. So it was strong today, but not as strong as the overall market. It had some indications of pulling back, but buyers stepped in and defended their position at R3, who took these breakouts, who took these buys right here, defended their position here at around 169.90, and just kept defending their position at 170.66, and now we're just going up here. So they'll probably try and take some profit here, I guess, at 175 in this last hour. A lot of volume coming in here, 2.42 million on this candle. So you see people are taking profits at 174.31, kind of front running that 175. So yeah, let me see here. Let me see. Right, so spoke about the VWAP trade, the trade I was supposed to take. So let me pull across by bookmap. right? So that was the trading day for bookmap here, from the open. Let's see what's going on here. Where's the cursor? Where's the cross here? Anyway, so yeah, we had these little selling coming in as well. This, I think this was the selling here for the pullback that I was supposed to take. Had a big drop down, and then that's the breakout here. You see the buying volume, so that's the breakout right there. And these pullbacks try to short them and stuff, but they never really broke this VWAP line right here. So right now we're just running up. And is this frozen or what? Hold on. Yeah, I got too much stuff open. I think this is kind of frozen here. Anyway. So yeah, so I gotta do some journaling today. I haven't went off tilt for a little while, so I gotta do some journaling about what I did today. Today could have been a successful R3 rejection back down to lower VWAP, and one break even here, or probably a little profit on this R3 rejection right here. And I did the opposite, because I guess this candle here got me to go long and stuff, but did a nice trade on the pullback here. Let me go back to the trading platform. Even though this was a nice trade, a nice short here and partial here and here. Let me see, let me use the arrow, man. Right, so went short here, partial here, nice partial out, well, nice cover right there. So that was a nice trade, but it doesn't fit the criteria. This is the trade that I should have took right here. Instead I was going long and I should have been short. So that just proves to me, like, man, I gotta stick to my strategy, you know, because I can see the proof is in the pudding, and I'm messing it up. So I gotta stick to the script, man. Alright, so it's Malak Shalomo. This was my trade recap on Tesla, and I'm gonna do some journaling today and actually prepare for tomorrow, because let me just show you some here. This might be a lot on the chart to kind of visualize, but let me just show you for preparation's sake for the next day. So let's see, let me show one at a time. Take off VWAP. Right, so this is the money zone, right? So the money zone levels here today is this purple line up here at 175.98. The value area low is 169.66, this white line right here. So now I have it's like the indicator has a developing value area high, developing value area low. So that shows it shows tomorrow's values. So where these end up for the day is gonna be tomorrow's values, right? So this purple cross right here is gonna be the value area low. Let me take out this arrow again. So that's gonna be the value area low. Wherever it closes, that'll be the new value area low. So that's moving down. And this white line here, wherever this closes, is gonna be the, well, sorry, man, this is gonna be the value area high, right? And this white line is gonna be the value area low. And this is the puck here, lower puck, upper puck, point of control. So the point of control is really staying in the same place as today, basically. But we're getting a tightening of the money zone. So tomorrow is looking like it's either gonna be sideways or a breakout, right? So we have the FOMC statement tomorrow, so this is probably gonna move sideways a little bit, but we might have a breakout in some direction, you know. Overall, it's This money zone, let's see here, 1 second. The money zone relationship, the 2-day relationship today was a overlapping lower value relationship where the value area high was up here, value area low was down here, but now we had the value area high come down a little bit, well, not a little bit, but just above like the value area low of the prior day, and the value area low moved down. So the value area high did not come below this previous day value area low, so it's an overlapping lower value relationship, just like the camera rulers. So these developing indicators here is kind of showing me what's going to happen tomorrow, so you could kind of make like a plan of, okay, if this happens then I could do this, if this happens then I could do that, you know. So I guess like how would you do this? Let's say we get so this is going to be an inside day, right? Now if price opens, let's see, if price opens tomorrow around here, right, or let's say around here, let's say we get a gap up, right, that's gonna be, well, it's in a bullish thesis, even though it's like a inside value day, which is suggesting a breakout. You're gonna look for the retest of like this level here, the value area high, and then go long, right? Or if it does the opposite, let's say it opens at this area here below the value area low, or even this area here, you're gonna look for, let's see, I'm gonna look for like a retest of the value area low, and then if it rejects I can go short, right? And if it opens in between, then you know it's just like a range until it breaks one side of the money zone. You know, if it breaks out, then you look for the retest of the value area high, and then you could go long, you know. So it's just the different scenarios you can prepare yourself for. So I'm gonna do some journaling and do some preparation as well, and it's the same thing I can do on the central pivots here. So this is the pivot level, that blue line is moving down. This is the bottom central pivot, which is flipped. Now is the top central pivot, and the dots for that are moving down. So this is the bottom central pivot that's developing now, and that's the top central pivot right here. So it's having like a overlapping lower value relationship. So let me just show that right here. So if this closes here, this closes here, and this closes here, you can see it's like an overlapping lower value relationship from the pivots today, right? So that's the bottom central, which is the top central, that red line, but it flips from, like in the calculation, the top central and the bottom central flip sometimes. So indicating like, you know, support, this is the green line right here, but it flips sometime, and this is resistance. So in the equation it kind of flips. So you can see right here it'll be an overlapping lower value relationship, right? All right, y'all, it's Malak Shalomo. I'm gonna go do some journaling and try and prepare for tomorrow. All right, y'all, trade safe and stay blessed.